Okay, let's discuss this. Let me start with you, Sunny Slaughter. You have a client. You do the best you can as a defense attorney, especially when you're appointed a client and have to represent them. But I'm kind of like tuning out to what he's saying there, because the way I'm looking at it by the jury is, let me just put me in the box, and then I want you to put you in the box right next to me, that she's a mastermind. What do you say to that when I argue that in the jury room?
I think you would be correct. She devised this entire scheme. And although he was trying to make it about who had more money and who didn't, she was in control. The one thing that she had with Chad Daybell, I believe, was the control. And people do a lot of things for money. And although he was making it seem like there wasn't a lot of money, there are other things that she wanted. She didn't want to have the children. She wanted the man, she wanted the potential exposure, and he made her a lot of promises. So I think this was a good effort on the part, maybe, of the defense, but it just did not catch. It did not land, and it didn't really make sense.
Sunny Slaughter, I know what the defense attorney is talking about very well. By the way, in New Jersey, we close first. Here on Court TV, we see, not Court TV, Law and Crime. We used to see Court TV, but they're another network. They're way over there. But this whole statement of qualifications that these examiners have to give to the defense now, because if they're certified by a certain lab, they have to take certain courses, and one of the courses they take is this cognitive bias course and learn about these studies. But in this case, is that really something that's going to sway the jury? Because the question is whether somebody came in and shot the pastor.
I'm not sure. It depends on how well and how informed a jury person might be about biases and cognitive tests, as opposed to what happened when the individual ran the testing on the gun, and what that process looks like, and what conclusion that they came to. I am, however, concerned that a member of law enforcement would otherwise tell a technician or another professional not to do something and not to test everything. I think these are some of the problems that we keep running into when we talk about law enforcement processes and everything. I think they need to do everything. Everyone needs to do everything. And I am concerned about that. But I also believe that a jury needs to have a certain level of understanding and how that impacts a particular case, whether cognitive behavioral analysis and information is can change perspectives.